Guys, I made a very beautiful hairstyle on Adobe and I can't wait to show you all. But first of all, welcome back to the channel. As usual, we're starting off by, we're starting off with moisturizing the hair. The hair was freshly washed but wasn't moisturized yet until now. Yeah, so I'm putting in leave-in conditioner and removing the twists that I did from washing, making sure that the conditioners are well evenly distributed onto the hair, brush out, the 360s that involve prepping. Next, we're gonna start sectioning. For this sectioning part, I'm gonna be doing sectioning like a triangle, or let's say love pattern or triangle pattern at this front. Okay, yeah, you see that is it. We put that aside and we're gonna start working from the back. Apparently, this is our first episode in our holidays hairstyle series. Yay! Even though we didn't start off on time, it's better late than never, yeah? A lot of persons has been in my comments, both on Instagram and also here on YouTube, telling me they want Christmas hairstyle. So even though initially I didn't plan that out because of my schedules, I was forced to. Okay, I had to make out time. I had to do something because I love you all so much. Okay, let me not use the word forced to. Let's say I was motivated to. Those requests motivated me. You people know what we do here. I always bring in, Christmas hairstyles during the season. So be sure to expect more hairstyles that you can easily choose from to style your princesses in this festive season. Okay, so back to the hair. I wouldn't want to interrupt with my explanation because it wouldn't cut it. I will allow you guys to see the process, to see everything I am doing. But first of all, I parted a straight line at the down, as you guys saw, and I further put into rubber band 3. I parted a straight line and divided into 3, put them in rubber band, and I further twisted 2 like this, 2 2 like this, 1 on each of them that I put in rubber band. I twisted 2, 1 each, and I did kind of a crisscross thingy. Just watch this process, okay? Like I said, you will understand better without me saying anything. Okay, yeah. can say that I love about this hairstyle is the fact that every hair, all her hair were put into use, because you all know how, not I don't know how to explain it. Like when you're making these kind of hairstyles that are very easy, you tend to have something going on like here and there. Not all the hair on the head are put into use. Like some places you will just like brush the hair, you kind of braid. All these easy hairstyles, I know what I'm talking about, but I don't know how to explain it. Not all hair in the head on the head are put into use. Some places they just like brush it up when we are dealing with easy hairstyles like this. But you see this particular one, every single hair we put into use just like this, like tada, we are practically done. So we are left with this middle part, but we're not gonna leave it like that. Well, you can leave it like that, okay, trust me, you can. Well, I just tied that out, for the moment while I came back to this front part. Like I said, every hair were put into use. So I kind of cornrowed out this part, but twisted out. Like once I was done with the cornrow phase, I twisted it out. I repeated the same, or rather I've done the same on the other side before I came to this side. I'm back to this middle part. Just get an extension you're not using. For me, I use this coiling one that I just saw lecturing around the house. You can use puff like others, Afro kinky. You can use that if you have that laying around the house, or if your daughter's hair is already full, like thick, you can just leave it. For me, I just wanted this to look extremely beautiful. I don't want it to look basic, being that I didn't use colors, because obviously she took the hair to school and all those many colors are not allowed. So I went in with this coily extension I just had laying around the house, and I just put it on there. You guys are just seeing how I'm doing it. I just stick it on there. I took another bunch, I put it on again. Like you're not applying tension at all. You can easily remove this, change it to anything else. You can use ponytail, what's it called, detachable ponytail if you have one. All you just need to do is to braid out the hair. Make sure that it's well braided, like the ends are braided and not left like I left mine, and you can just put your detachable ponytail or kinky puff. At this point, I went in with accessories using this butterfly clips. Like I said, there were no color in the hair originally, but I needed to improvise, and I added all these accessories and gave it all the colors, all the beauties it needed. Anyways, we are done. We are done, and I love this hairstyle. To think that this hairstyle was just an idea on the sitting, like I had no plans of any hairstyle that I was to do on this day, and this was a hairstyle that I ended up with, and I'm so proud. I love how it turned out. I love how beautiful, how versatile it is. Let me know in the comment section, will you be trying out this hairstyle? Do let me know. And we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, please. Mabinu, please give this video a thumbs up and leave some comments down below. I love reading comments from you all. Subscribe if you haven't, and see you all in the next episode of our holidays hairstyle series. Bye. Mwah.